Now, Elon likes Bitcoin. It's another thing that came up during this conversation he had last night on Clubhouse. How about Clubhouse? Clubhouse not minding it. They're like, oh, you want to use our platform for a big-time interview? Elon Musk is going to be the host and
Sure.
the CEO of... Yeah, they're like, yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, anytime.
So Elon Musk said Monday Bitcoin was on the verge of being more widely accepted among investors as he expressed his support for the cryptocurrency. You know, he put it in the bio the other day. He was able to send the price of Bitcoin up around 14% just by putting it in the bio. Now he's talking about it a lot more. You know, he could make some moves to try to figure a way to accept it for Teslas or something, and can make some interesting moves if he wants to elevate it further or put some of his own personal finances into. I mean, he can swing a bat. You know what I'm saying? So he came on there and he said, I'm a supporter of Bitcoin. I was a little slow on the uptake, adding that he should have bought it 8 years ago. Well, that's not hard to say. I mean,
Yeah.
Willie Doo should have bought it 8 years ago. Mo should have bought it 8 years ago. There's a lot of things I should have done 8 years ago, actually. But it's still cool that he's willing to say it. That's one thing about Elon. You feel like you get some transparency there.
And
you know,
he embraces it. And
he just talks
supports
about these type of topics like a regular person to a certain extent. Willing to hop on there, willing to say the thing that the regular person feels, willing to meme it up with the general public. And so people obviously appreciate that. Now, I know the crypto community is going to love this news. Bitcoin has been up recently. It's over 300% in 2020. And then, of course, we have the interest in the stock market, which is sort of connected. You have many of these new trading apps. They add crypto in there. It's still not on the level where it's being utilized nearly as much as it could be as an actual currency. But we can imagine ways in which a guy like Elon being on board could actually influence that factor, being a guy who sells product, at least cars.
Yeah.
But I think as far as accepting Bitcoin in the car, the trouble there is if you're dealing with fluctuations in the currency and volatility in the currency, with the price point, the average price point of the vehicle, it could be some tough accounting.
Yeah, it would have to stabilize.
It could be some tough accounting over there.